Bitcoin breakout is coming. Bitcoin rejected 38k resistance, but is still holding high. The price is squeezing and a breakout is coming. What can we expect for the coming days for Bitcoin? Let's find it out in today's analysis. Hello people, I'm the NakedTrader and today I will analyze Bitcoin USDT, ROBINHOOD, VERASITY USDT, KASPA USDT, Footlocker Incorporated and ETHEREUM USDT. So let's kick off with the weekly performance of the crypto market. Currently kind of a mixed week. Some green, some red ones. We have some big greens like Tau, KASPA, TIA, Render, AVAX, and some big red ones like HEX, RLB, EHEX. And if we change from the weekly to the daily, today the sentiment is quite green. A lot of green numbers: EMX, Render, Tau, R, Link, Tether, and some big red ones like Hex, Rune, Dodge, Ordi. Okay, and from the weekly crypto performance, let's go to the coin market cap. Currently 1.39 trillion market cap, a volume of 37.75 billion. The current fear and greed sentiment is 72, which still indicates greed. And the top 10 coins are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Dogecoin and Tron. And from here, let's go to the weekly performance of the stock market. Almost all stocks were in green last week. It was an amazing week. Tesla 9.15%, Nvidia 1.99%, GPM 4.36%, Google is green, Apple is green, Amazon green. Some red ones like Cisco 9.19%. I might cover this one Wednesday. Leave it down in the comments below what you want to be covered. What is this? Walmart red, Alibaba red. But overall sentiment was green, which is nice. Okay, and from here let's go to the weekly chart of Bitcoin. Currently a red week, small candle so far. About 12 hours to close this week's candle. Still facing resistance at 38k and trying to find support to push higher for the next stop. Probably around 42k. So, but the thing is, where can we hold support? From the weekly I will change to the daily. As you can see, the last high, we went down, tested here, previous high, went up, no daily gain, and we went lower. And I will make last week's plan visible. Okay, let's change to the 4-hour. Yeah, this was one of the scenarios, an entry at 34,500. It was a little front-runner, yeah. So this was one of the scenarios. At the daily we have a rejection, but at the full 4-hour there's a gain. And a higher low here. Trying to push up, but the price is squeezing now. So a breakout expected. Can be both sides, either up or down. We will see coming days. So what can we expect for now? Yeah, I would say the scenarios from last week are still valid, all of them. So either test at 34,500, but that is not my favorite anymore because it's already tested aggressive. So it will probably go and test lower. So either test at 30,500 and trying to go up from there, or again test of 41,000, pullback at 36,200 and then trying to go up, or a massive gain and we test 46,000 right away, pullback around 37,800 and then going for the next move up. So all scenarios are still valid. And from Bitcoin USDT, let's go to Robinhood. Currently at the weekly chart, not looking good, currently at all-time lows. So let's zoom in a bit. What can we see? Okay. So what happened? Where is my brush? Here. This was the low which caused the high over here. Here is the loss of this low at the weekly chart. Tried to go up and it rejected the previous drop off and now causing this new low. We printed a new weekly loss of this area here, the $8.45, so a weekly loss. Not looking very strong. Okay, I will change to the daily. Back to the weekly. This already tested. So what can we expect the coming days? Okay. Either a rejection at 8.45, pullback, and we will test the all-time lows, $7.19, and trying to go up from there. There's also still a small CME gap here at the daily, around $7.19. Need to be filled. We can also go straight down from here, test the $7.19 and going up from there. Or a potential reversal. Let's say we go up, we try to test $9.85. I want to see some strength. Pullback, entry around $8.45. And then aiming for higher levels. So 3 possible scenarios for Robinhood. And from Robinhood, we will go to Verasity USDT, starting at the weekly chart. Let me add some levels. Okay, let's zoom in a bit. Okay. There was a weekly range over here. Weekly gains. Pullback. Okay. Let's go to the daily. So this top is tested over here. Here is a rejection from the last high. Okay, so what can we expect for now? We'll add some scenarios. Either a test of the 0.00457 and trying to go up from there, trying to break the 0.009 cents, so or a test of 1 cent, pullback around 0.5 cent and trying to go up from there. And if it tests the 1.8 cent right away, then you can enter more aggressive around the 0.009 cent and trying to go up from there. So 3 possible scenarios. And from Veracity, we will go to KASPA USDT. Wow, what is this? This is the weekly chart. So over the last few weeks, 247%. And from the start, 4,356%. That's amazing. Okay, but we don't buy when it's so high. Let's see if we can find opportunity somewhere. I'll change to the daily. I'll change to the 4-hour. Okay. So this, the 11 cent is already tested over here, and I don't like to test the test of the test. Price is squeezing, kind of rejecting, but there might be another impulse up. Okay, so an entry around 8 cents is possible, but it's very aggressive. High risk play. So I would recommend you to wait for the lower time frame confirmation if you want to play the aggressive play, because from here you can still go down 40% or even more, almost 70%, 80%. So this is very high risk play. If we lose support here at the 8 cent, then the next test will be here at 4.8 cents and trying to go up from there. And then the next test will be at 2.5 cents and trying to go up from there. But if it goes lower, then it's looking kind of wrecked and then nobody wants to buy it. I will prefer the medium play at 4.8 cents, so this play, and else the most defensive one at 2.5 cents. Okay, from KASPA USDT, I will go to Footlocker. What is this? This is the weekly chart. I will start at the monthly chart. Yeah, this is nice. Okay. So the trend is downwards. Monthly loss. Here also at $19 monthly loss of this previous low, of this low. And let's change to the weekly. A big drop off a few weeks ago. And before there was another one. Tried to go up. So far rejecting this low, the $23. Let's see how this will go the coming days, weeks. From the weekly, I will change to the daily. The daily is looking better because at the daily time frame we are going up, printing highs, higher lows, higher highs. Okay, I will add some scenarios for the coming days. So either we reject here at 22.90 and then aiming lower around $10 and trying to go up from there. We reject. No, this one is not. Okay, we have a gain. We will test $27 or even a gain over here. Pull back. Around 1984 and trying to break the 27. If the gain is more aggressive and let's say try to test $34 right away, then you can enter also more aggressive at the pullback around $23 and then aiming higher. So 3 possible scenarios for Footlocker. And from Footlocker I will go to Ethereum USDT starting at the weekly chart. Also red week. So far Ethereum is still looking weaker than Bitcoin because if you compare those two, Ethereum went up to 2100 and if it has the same chart as Bitcoin it should be already around 2500 or even a little higher, 26. Yeah, I'll go back to the Bitcoin weekly, zoom in You can see it. This is where Ethereum is at 30,800, but Bitcoin is already far more up. Okay. From the weekly Ethereum, I will change to the daily. Also aggressive test. Still some room for a lower test here. I will make last week's plan visible. So if you had played the scenario from 2 weeks ago, you could have been in the long and also in the short. So the long produced profit of almost 20%, so congratulations. And the short produced a profit of almost 10%, also congratulations. And can go even lower. So increase your stop loss, take some profits, and let's see what kind of scenarios we still have. So another gain, a test of the 2400 pullback with entry around 2140, aiming higher. Let me add some levels. Yes, this scenario is still in play. The pullback with a test of 1845. Okay. And the third scenario will be a test of the 1668 and then trying to go up from there. So 3 possible scenarios for Ethereum USDT the coming days. So thank you guys for watching today's episode. Enjoy your Sunday. Join Team NakedTrader. Smash the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you guys. Enjoy your day. See you Wednesday. Laters.